Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's final video of this series, we shall be learning to chant the 6th shloka of Lalita Pancharatnam and understand its meaning. This shloka is the Phalashruti shloka. First, let us learn it word by word. Yashloka Panchakam Idam Lalitambikayaha Saubhagyadam Sulalitam Pathati Prabhate Tasmai Dadati Lalita Jhatiti Prasanna Vidyam Shriyam Vimala Saukhyam Ananta Kirtim. Now let us learn to chant it. Yashloka Panchakamidam Lalitambikayaha Saubhagyadam Sulalitam Pathati Prabhate Tasmai Dadati Lalita Jhatiti Prasanna Vidyam Shriyam Vimala Saukhyam Kirtim. Now let us see the meaning of this verse. Yaha Lalitambikayaha Shloka Panchakamidam Pathati. One who reads this collection of 5 verses on Mother Lalita Devi. These verses are Saubhagyadam and Sulalitam. Saubhagyadam means they grant auspiciousness. The word used to describe these verses itself is Sulalitam. Lalita refers to Lalityam or sportfulness, playfulness. This shloka is very simple and easy to chant. So one who chants these shlokas early in the morning, Prabhate, Tasmai Dadati Lalita Jhatiti Prasanna. Tasmai for him, Lalita Devi, Jhatiti Prasanna, quickly pleased, Dadati gives, Vidyam Shriyam Vimala Saukhyam Ananta Kirtim. She grants knowledge, Shriyam glory, wealth, Vimala Saukhyam blemish free happiness, pleasures, Ananta Kirtim endless fame and glory. She therefore creates a situation when all these different, difficult to attain things are all found in her bhakta for the benefit of humanity around us, for the benefit of everyone in this world. May we thus meditate on Lalita Devi to grant us knowledge and auspiciousness